GeopByte.
Welcome to GeopByte. Hi students, in the previous video we have completed up to the 5th question in exercise number 2.1. In this video, let us cover up to the I bit in the 8th question of exercise number 2.1. Now, let us see 6th question. Write the predecessor of. Right? Below we are given with 4 numbers. We need to find out the predecessors of these numbers. Let us see one by one. First, see, to find out the predecessor, we need to subtract 1 from the given number. Right? That is the way to find out the predecessor of a number. So, let us see the first one. We have 94. Right? So, the predecessor of 94 will be C. We need to subtract 1. So, 94 minus 1. Now, 4 minus 1, 3. We have 9. Let us write 9. So, 94 minus 1 is 93. So, 93 will be the predecessor of 94. Now, let us see B bit. We have 10,000. Right? We have 10,000. So, to find out predecessor, we need to subtract 1 from 10,000. That is, see, 10,000 minus 1. Now, here we have 0 minus 1. See, 1 cannot be subtracted from 0. So, let us borrow. Now, see, here also we have 0. So, here also we have 0. Here also we have 0. So, since here we have 4 zeros, we cannot borrow from these zeros. Now, if you see we have 1. Now, this 1 becomes 0. This 0 becomes 10. Again we need to borrow. So, this 10 becomes 9. This 0 becomes 10. Again we need to borrow. So, this 10 becomes 9. This 0 becomes 10. Now, we need to borrow. Again this 10 becomes 9. This 0 becomes 10. Right? Now, 10 minus 1 is 9. And here we have 3 nines. 1, 2, 3. So, we got 9,999, right? 9,999 will be the predecessor of 10,000, right? Now, let us see third one. We have 208090. That is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh. So, it is called as 2,08,090. Right? 2,08,090. So, to find out the predecessor of this number, we need to subtract 1. So, 2,08,090 minus 1. Now, 0 minus 1. We cannot subtract 1 from 0. So, let us borrow. This 9 becomes 8. And this 0 becomes 10. Now, 10 minus 1, 9. And here we have 8. Let us write the remaining numbers as it is. 0, 8, 0, 2. We got 2,08,089. Right? Let us write 2,08,089. So, 2,08,089 will be the predecessor of 2,08,090. Now, let us see fourth one. We have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right? So, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. That is 76 lakh, 54,321. Right? So, to find out the predecessor of this number, we need to subtract 1. So, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, 0, and the remaining numbers will be same. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 76,54,320. Let us write 76,54,320. So 76,54,320 is the predecessor of 76,54,321. So we found out the predecessors by subtracting 1 to that number. Now let us see 7th question. In each of the following pairs of numbers, state which whole number is on left of other number on the number line. Also write them with the appropriate sign greater than or less than between them. Right? The question is given that below we are given with 4 pairs of numbers. Right? So we need to indicate the number which comes left to the other number. Right? We are given with 2 numbers in each question. So we need to say whether which number comes on the left side of the other number. And also we need to put the greater than or less than symbol in between these numbers. First, let us see the first one. We have 530 and 503. Right? 530 and 503. Now you say, see, 530 is bigger one or 503 is bigger one? Obviously, 503 is smaller one and 530 is bigger one. So, 503 will be towards left side of 530 because on a number line we go in ascending order. So, after 503 only we get 530. Right? So, 503 is on the left side of 530. Right? 503 will be on the left side of 530. Now, in this both numbers, which one is bigger? Obviously 530. So, 530 is greater than 503. Right? This is greater than symbol. 530 is greater than 503. Now, let us see second pair. We have 370, 307. Same. 307 is the smaller number. It comes on the left side of 370. Right? As we go in ascending order, after 307 only, we get 370. Right? So, 307 is on the left side of 370. That is 370 is greater than 307, right? So let us put greater than symbol. 370 is greater than 307. Now let us see Cbit. We have 98,765 and 56,789, right? See, by seeing itself, we can say that the place value in the 10,000s place in this number is greater one, right? See, here we have 5 in 10,000s place and here we have 9 in 10,000s place. So, this will be the bigger number than this number. As you know, on a number line, numbers will be arranged in ascending order, right? So, in ascending order, the smaller number comes first. So, 56,789 will be towards left side of 98,765. Let us write 56,789 is on the left side of 98,765. 765. Right? As this is the bigger number, this number lies on the left side of that number. Now, see, this is the greater number. Directly we need to put greater than symbol, that is 98,765 is greater than 56,789. Now let us see the last pair. We have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh, 10 lakh. That is 98 lakh, 30,415 and ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh, 10 lakh, 1 crore. So 1 crore, 23,001. See, by comparing the place values itself, we can say that this number is big, right? It is up to 1 crore, but here it is up to only 10 lakh. So, 98 lakh 30,415 will be on the left side of this number, right? As this is 1 crore 23,001. So, 98 lakh 30,415 is on the left side of 1 crore 23,001. Right? As this is a smaller number, it is left side of this number. So, this is the greater number. This is smaller number. So, let us put less than symbol. Right? See, 98 lakh 30,415 is less than 1 crore 23,001. So, by this we have completed the 4 pairs of numbers of writing the number which comes on the left side on the number line and also found out the greater number and the smaller number. Now, let us see 8th question. Which of the following statements are true and which are false? Right? Below we are given with some statements. We need to check whether they are true or false. So let us see one by one. We have the first one as 0 is a natural number. Right? 0 is a natural number. Is 0 a natural number? No. 0 is not a natural number. So it is false. It is false. Why? Because natural numbers start with only with the number 1. Right? If 0 is there, they became whole numbers. So, natural numbers start with the number 1. So, 0 is not included in natural numbers. Now, let us see the next one. 400 is the predecessor of 399. See, predecessor means the before number, right? Is 400 before to 399? No. So, it is false. If we do 399 minus 1, 399 minus 1, we get 9 minus 1, 8, 9, 3, we get 398 as the predecessor of 399. 400 will be the successor, right? When we add 1 to 399, we get 400. So, 400 is not predecessor of 399, hence it is false. So, 398 is the predecessor of 399. Right? Now, let us see the next one. 0 is the smallest whole number. Yes, because whole number starts with 0. So, the smallest whole number is also 0. So, it is true. Right? The reason is the whole numbers start with 0. Now let us see the next one. 600 is the successor of 599. See, successor means we need to add 1. So when we add 599 plus 1, 9 plus 1 10, write 0 here, 1 here, 9 plus 1 10, write 0 here, carry 1 here, 5 plus 1 6. We got 600 as the successor of 599. So it is true. Right? It is true as we got 600 as the successor of 599. Now let us see the next one. All natural numbers are whole numbers. Yes, whole number starts with 0 and natural number starts from 1. So natural numbers are included in the whole numbers. So it is also true. Right? When we add 0 to natural numbers, they are becoming whole numbers. So, all natural numbers will belong to whole numbers. That is why it is true. Now, let us see the next one. We have all whole numbers are natural numbers. No, because whole number starts from 0. And natural number starts from 1. So 0 is not included in the natural numbers. So all whole numbers does not become natural numbers. Right? Let us write false. The reason is 0 is not a natural number. Right? 0 is not a natural number. That is why all whole numbers are not natural numbers. Right? Now let us see the next one. The predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. Right? Predecessor means the before number. See, it is given that the predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. It is false because, see, let us write false and let us see the reason. Suppose we have the number 10. 10 is a 2-digit number, right? So, to find out predecessor, we need to subtract 1. So, 10 minus 1. 0 minus 1, we cannot subtract 1 from 0. Let us borrow. 1 becomes 0. 0 becomes 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Right? 10 minus 1, 9. So, see, the predecessor of a 2-digit number, the 2-digit number is 10 and the predecessor is 9. So, here we got a single-digit number as the predecessor of a 2-digit number. So, this statement is false. Right? As they have given, the predecessor of a 2-digit number is never a single-digit number. But we got a single-digit number as the predecessor of 2-digit number. Right? So, the predecessor of 10 is 9 as this is a single-digit number and this is a 2-digit number. Right? Let us see the next one. 1 is the smallest whole number. Is 1 the smallest whole number? No, because whole number starts with 0. Whole number starts from the number 0. So, after 0, 1 comes. So, how 1 could be the smallest whole number? 0 will be the smallest whole number. So, this is false. And the reason is 0 is the smallest whole number. Right? 0 is the smallest whole number. Now let us see the next one. The natural number 1 has no predecessor. Here they have given that natural number. Since natural number starts from 1. Right? Here it is given natural number. Natural number starts with 1. So, it is given the natural number 1 has no predecessor. Yes, natural number starts with 1 itself. Then where will be the predecessor of 1? So, this is true. Right? The natural number 1 has no predecessor as the natural numbers are starting with 1 itself. So, we have seen the statements whether which are true or false. The remaining topics will be covered in the next video. You are welcome to contact us on Telegram to clarify your doubts regarding these topics. Check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to GeopByte.
GeopByte.